The business Treen Safety's been around since 1929. I came out of the food service industry and I bought it in May of 2010. We provide personal protective equipment to a variety of industries throughout the province of British Columbia. Like most companies today, you can't really function without technology. We're not highly technical, but we certainly rely on our computers for all of our inventory control, all of our order entry, processing and invoicing, and the basic ERP kind of system. The company we were using before ActiveCo was they weren't very responsive, and people were really frustrated if something happened. And we're not a highly complex business, but we do rely on our technology to work to make sure that things are functioning properly. So just frustration for me too. I mean, I would be away on a trip somewhere and something would go wrong, and that awful feeling in the pit of your stomach that you're not there, and you know that people are very frustrated. And we're growing, and so there's frustrations that are coming in the business from growth. We don't need it. We don't need additional frustrations as a result of technology not working. Well, the transition was sort of twofold, because one of the things we were doing was upgrading our server. So we kind of went on maintenance, and there were a variety of small calls. And then in October, the end of October 2012, we actually converted our server. And so that was kind of the real transition into our engagement with ActiveCo. In terms of computer conversions, it was pretty seamless. The support staff were here. We can't do that sort of thing on a Monday to Friday 9 to 5, and so we did it on Friday night and on the weekends, and they had the right staff here. They were very helpful. They also had to work with our ERP system software providers, and they did a great job of making sure that some of those pieces were covered up as well, even though really it wasn't their responsibility to make sure that happened. One of the other things that I would like to say is I really like the structure of ActiveCo's system, where they've got a person who is more of a business person that helps with the basic setup initially, and then they've got some technical people which sometimes don't speak the same language as business people, and I think that's a very good structure.